This is the elevator at Menards in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Let's see what we have here. Well, it's not an Abell. That is a very nice door operator. Very fast. I don't know what this is. It's not an Abell, that's for sure. Let's go down to 1. Door close works. Okay, whoever installed this elevator, this is a much better model for Menards. Look how fast that door operator is. And it's not also super loud. All right, that's it.